Hey guys, it's Britt and I'm going to show you how to get this knotted top knot today using Restore and Rejuvenate oil. First, you're going to flip over and brush your hair into a smooth, high pony. It's a little tricky not to get those bumps in there, right? Let's use a little Restore this time on a toothbrush or a smoothing comb. Smooth out your hairline and now do your pony a second time. Hold that into place with Refinish and apply more Restore to your pony and a few drops of Rejuvenate oil to your ends. Next, split your hair into 2 sections, smoothing it out and tie it into a knot. Pin in place and tie in another knot and pin that in place. Tuck in those ends for a seamless and sweet top knot and finish off with a cute bow. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with, so don't forget to tag us.